Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need strawberries, milk chocolate chips, graham crackers, cream cheese, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Begin by placing 2 toothpicks into the back side of the strawberry to use as a handle to dip the strawberries. Melt the milk chocolate chips in 30-second intervals until smooth, or according to the directions on your package. Dip the strawberries into the chocolate. Allow the chocolate to harden for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator or at room temperature for about an hour. For the cream cheese filling, combine 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That looks delicious, but we're not quite done. Use a knife to carve out the center of the strawberry. Fill the strawberry with cheesecake filling. Sprinkle graham cracker crumbs on top. And there you have it, cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.